we're back in West Auckland. Never showed you the sliding doors. I just glide along this metal track along the bottom, like that. And at the top, they're not hanging or anything, they're just got like a black plastic rubber washer that just keeps it in the center of these individual columns. So you can slide them either side and stack them. We've just got a handful of magnets to put on and 2 shelves. So we'll probably be out of here by lunchtime. Pardo's been doing all the magnets up in the bedrooms and stuff.
Nah, it's right, eh?
Good. No, that's good. So we couldn't really do much more at Blockhouse Bay, so we have a bit of time. So I thought I would go to Bunnings and get a few materials like spare blades that we were needing, and so I thought I would combine the trip and sort out this shelf that I'm gonna put in here. So I've had these lying around inside my van for months. I bought them with the intention of having a shelf here, something like that, and then it's gonna sit on all the way along. They're like $3 each. Now I'm going to measure it back 60 mil from there. Use that as a reference point. I'm not going to check the level because the van could be anywhere, but your eye will pick up this line on the middle. Okay, so I will use the level, but it's just to draw a straight line. I was worried about the metal to metal contact and the sound that it could make, you know, it could rattle or... So I got this black. Use everywhere around your home. Protect floors. Make furniture easy to move. Made from recycled fibers. Basically just surface protectors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it to the back of this. So where the bolts comes through on the other side, behind the seats. It's working. Woohoo. There you go. There's your shelf. Now all these suckers go in here, but I don't want them to slip around and fall off, so I'm going to make another layer on top with cutouts to fit that. So that goes on the top like that, and then to finish it off, I'll put something like that there. So I should be able to finish that probably tomorrow morning, but this will be my last video for this week. So, see the paint's still drying. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.